been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a don't be. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Forget, baby girl.
What you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up?
Been a long time. Shouldn't have left you without a don't be. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a don't be. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Forget, baby girl.
What you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up?
Been a long time. Shouldn't have left you without a don't be. Step two, step two, step two.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shedre. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So a little different, we're going to be doing a I don't even know what to call it. I got these press-on nails from my nail tech, and she's awesome, by the way. Nails by Shedre, make sure you check her out. But yeah, I got these press-ons from her, and I want to try them out and review them on YouTube, whatever. So anywho, this video would be really short because first of all, yes, before I even get into that, the packaging was extra cute, and also the scripture, I absolutely love that. And the little thank you card, super cute. I really appreciated that. But yeah, so this video, it'll be a little short. I may just make it into a short, not 100% sure, but it was supposed to be a longer video of me actually putting on the press-ons, whatnot. But see, what happened was I thought it was recording. I thought you can see it, like as you can see from this angle, you know, I'm showing you guys like what's in the packaging, the instructions and whatnot. You can see that. But however, when I was doing my nails, it was completely off camera, and I didn't know until it was over, and then my phone died. So yeah, that's that. So I just said, I'm just cut that whole part out, and I'll just show you guys the end results. But yeah, that was a failure. So next time it'll be better. But trial and error, we're gonna get it right. But yeah, I did show a little bit of me struggling. You can't even see it. That's actually still me showing the nails. But y'all, I was so mad, and I was working too. I was working the whole time I was doing this. I was hoping I wasn't gonna get a call, but luckily I did not, so I didn't have to worry about that. But y'all, putting on the press-ons, back to the actual reason of the video. I'm rambling, but back to putting them on. It was really simple. Like, I mean, they're press-ons. All you gotta do is just put the glue on and then press it down. Pretty much it. But they came on really well. It didn't take me long to put them on. Maybe like less than 10 minutes, maybe like 5 minutes. It didn't take long at all, and they really held really well. The glue, it held it really well. So kudos on that. But I do want to say one thing, and it's nothing bad. It's just, I don't know, going from, I would press-ons like all the time before I start wearing my actual nails. Like actual, like, you know, salon nails, you know, shop nails, you know what I'm talking about. So like going from press-ons to real nails, quote unquote, back to press-ons is kind of a no for me. Because in my mind, even though, like I said, the glue, it held up really well, it's a mental thing for me. So like, I feel like I have to be extra careful with the press-ons, whereas when I'm wearing like regular nails, I don't have to be so careful. I mean, I'm careful, but let's be real, I'm clumsy by heart, so like any little thing just messes me up. So I feel like I have to be extra cautious when I wear press-ons. So I don't like that. That's the only thing I don't like. So, but that's just me. That's just my mental state. But other than that, these nails, I give these nails a 10 out of 10 because look at them. You see this picture? You see it. They are so cute. Like, so yeah, 10 out of 10. Like, comment, subscribe.